All right. So one of my fans was asking me, what do I do if I have a packet of ramen noodles and the seasoning packet is missing? And I was like, let me think about that. So I went back, it took me about a week, and I came up with an answer. So the answer is, if you get a pack of ramen noodles, maybe because someone took the seasoning packet out, or it was just a faulty packet and didn't come with a seasoning packet, it is not the end of the world, okay? So what you're gonna do is, you're gonna have a package of ramen noodles without the seasoning packet, which I have, onion powder, but this is not necessary, but it works, or you can have garlic powder, and then I have some Swanson's chicken broth, okay, with 33% less sodium for all you health nuts out there, all right? So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna start by taking some onion powder, putting it inside of the rapid ramen cooker right here, and then I'm gonna open up the can of chicken broth. All right, so I'm gonna open up the can of chicken broth. All right, and then I am going to let it air out. So I'm going to take it off and let it get some air. And then I'm going to take the ramen noodles and I'm going to place it inside of the rapid ramen cooker, and along with the crunchies. All right, and then instead of adding water, I'm just going to add the chicken broth up to the line, and then I'm going to put it in the microwave for 4 minutes. All right, after 4 minutes, I'm going to pull the ramen noodles out of the microwave. Be careful because it will be warm. I'm going to take the ramen noodles, zoom in so you can see a little bit, and then I'm just going to stir to make sure all the onion and broth get intertwined with the noodles. And let me tell you, these are really good. All right, the broth, the onion powder, it is a really good potent flavor, and I'm sure you will enjoy it. Goodness, if you ask me, absolute goodness. Let me know if you have any questions.